Welcome back. And in today's video, we're going to continue to explore best practices for working with AI. We'll discuss strategies for helping to understand the limitations for AI models. And also, we'll discuss the importance of experimentation and trial and error. These practices will help you set realistic expectations and continually improve your AI interactions. At the end, I'm going to show you a special tool that I use to help refine and improve my own prompts. And that leads me to best practice number 9 is you have to use these tools to understand the models and these different tools shortcomings. We've seen some of them throughout this video, but you really have to set realistic expectations first and foremost. Knowing the AI's limitations will help avoid unrealistic or unachievable results, ensuring more reliable outcomes. It also will help you recognize the boundaries, what it can and can't do. We already saw some boundaries that we hit from, the tools that we could use today. So by using this, you're going to be able to recognize, what it's good for and, what are some of the things that it's probably not as great for. And also to understanding those limitations can help you accidentally deploying AI hallucinations. You don't want to be the next brand on TV or on Twitter or X or whatever they're calling it now that says, here's a completely made up research or a completely made up customer story that they referenced. So by understanding these limitations and knowing where it can excel and where it cannot is going to help you just utilize AI much better in your process. And that leads me to the final best practice, which is experiment and explore. This is a brand new world. I love asking AI what it can and cannot do. I love learning and just using this as an interactive learning tool. You should explore the different prompt structures and phrasings. Use your creative writing skills and learn from each interaction and explore different techniques. Don't just use my techniques, explore the web and just try different and new things because at the end of the day, you have to embrace trial and error. Some things will work, some things won't. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, can AI do this? And my question back or my statement back is, ask it. This is once again one of the only tools that we've ever created that can tell us how it can be used and how it can use every other tool in our tool belt. So, in order to understand this, you have to be able to embrace trial and error. And for the last one, the one that I've been saving, the one at the end of the day is, well, you can ask AI to improve your prompts. I've been sitting on this one till the end because it's very important for you to understand the basic concepts so that you can create your own prompts. But at the end of the day, I don't write my own prompts anymore. And all of the prompts that you just saw were written by AI. And I'm going to show you a special prompt that I have that I can use that will help me iterate through prompting and make my prompts better. So for this example, I'm going to use ChatGPT, but I'm going to use a special agent. Here, I'm going to show you my AI mentor Sidekick. And the purpose of this Sidekick is to make your prompts better. So if I give it this prompt the last prompt that we just went over, and I say, make my prompt better, and I just give it a prompt, it's going to first start off by asking me questions that can help me make this prompt more specific. It'll list out some suggestions. Then it will revise my prompt with those suggestions and then give me additional information. Now you may see here settings for model. This gets into really advanced use cases for settings of models for developers, but you can still use this GPT to help refine your own prompts by giving it a basic prompt and making it more concise. Because if I just update here and I say, oh, here are the questions, it said, begin by identifying the three for personal care market in Europe. I don't want Europe. I want to focus on the US. Search the web to enhance the prompt. So here I've just answered a few different questions and it's revised the prompt for you. So here you can work with your prompts and use AI to make how you write your prompts even better. So in this video, we discuss the importance of understanding AI model limitations and embracing experimentation and trial and error to help refine your prompts and your interactions. By setting realistic expectations and exploring different techniques, you can harness the true potential of AI. Additionally, I introduce you to the AI Mentor GPT, and this powerful tool will help enhance your prompt writing. And in our last video, we'll dive into the ethics of AI usage and how to mitigate biases in AI models and what the future of AI looks like for communicators.